Very good evening to all of you and welcome to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam and I am in front of all of you for a very beautiful session today for all of you. As you all know that every weekend I have a video for all of you for that so that I can motivate you all guys because staying motivated, staying focused is very important. I can really understand that importance because I have done preparations for a very good amount of time in my life. So I really know that. I really understand that. And yes, that is why I'm in front of all of you with a new topic that how you can actually score 90% above, what should be the focus areas, how you should plan yourself, what should be the gray areas where you should put attention. So all these topics which I am going to discuss today. Okay, shuru kare without wasting any much further time. So here we start. Then how to score 90 plus in your boards examination, especially if I talk about mathematics. So that is my subject field, isn't it? Chalo. So let's start. And it will not be only exam tips. Apart from that, I'll be giving you some life tips as well. So first, three most important thing. This is called 3P, 3P system of preparation. That is plan, then prepare based on this plan, and then based on this preparation, perform. Go and take the exam. Plan, prepare, and perform. So that is called as 3P model. Now, how you have to put this 3P model in place? For that, there are few points. If you are able to means put these 3 points all automatically in your preparation, nothing more better could be than that. But if you're not able to actually figure out that how you have to plan, how you have to prepare, how you have to perform, all these points, so I'm just going to tell you about that. चलो तो देखते हैं. So first of all, start every day as productive day. Now, what does it mean? Or the statement itself is such a big statement. How can we actually zero down a working area or an actionable? So I would just say in simple terms, start your day with your aim. Start your day with your aim. That could be the most productive start. Why? Say for example, if you wake up in the morning and you just watch your WhatsApp or mobile or Facebook, so in the very first minute of the morning, what message did you give to your brain? That okay, buddy, it's a chillax day. We don't need to worry really means we don't need to really worry a lot. I'm just watching WhatsApp. I'm just watching Facebook. So it's all fine. Cool, buddy. Just take a chill pill. And brain also says, okay, fine. That's great, man. I also don't want to take unnecessary stress. It's real. So cool. Now in the afternoon, when you tell your brain that, okay, buddy, now we have to study. So now your brain says, oh, study? Is it so? Are you joking? Are you kidding? No. In the morning, you have shown me WhatsApp and Facebook. I thought it's a chilling day. I don't have to study. And at that particular time, you have a quarrel, you have a fight with your brain. But brain actually does not understand. You keep on feeling, nah. When you even by forcibly you sit down, you again means go back to normal things. Go back to like not studying. So these all things, why do they happen? Because you started your day without a aim. You said your brain, you told your brain that it's a chillax day. Why don't you, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing which you do is setting the target of the day, is telling your brain that you have to do these all things in today's time, and now you're gonna figure it out that how are you going to do it. Because if you're gonna tell this to your brain, undoubtedly, because this will be the first message which brain is getting, and obviously is going to take this on the priority because this is the first order which you have given to your brain. That is how, and that is where you'll make your day productive. You'll start your day productive. So please do that. Okay. Start your day with your aim. Whenever you wake up, just sit for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Talk to yourself and then give a target to yourself that what you all have to do today and what all actionables are there. What is the achievable target? That is very important. Okay. Chalo, moving on. Now, these all points could be very important for all of you. These all points. What are all these points are? So I'll be discussing one by one on all of them. Staying focused, difficult tasks done. So let's not deal it here. I'll be telling you one by one. First of all, very big challenge is staying focused. How can we actually stay focused? And now, you know what? people actually do think कि sir, one of my friend sits for like 3 hours for studying. One of my friends, she sits for like 5 hours for studying. And I really wonder, man, which type of body they have. Because even if I sit for like 40 minutes, my back starts paining. So am I like old, or means have I got some problem? And is she a superwoman? What is the whole thing? Yeah, I really want to understand that. So actually, they don't do that. They sit at a stretch for 5 hours. No, they don't do that. After 45 minutes, they stand up, or like they take a pause of like 5 minutes, not more than that. If you want, you can take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but minimum you should take a 5 minutes pause. You can go have a water, means have a glass of water. Or you can go to washroom, or you can like just go to a kitchen and like have a biscuit, whatever you feel like that. But in between that 45 minutes, or after like 1 hour, if you have an increased sitting capacity, after 1 hour, take a 5 minutes or 10 minutes break, and using that increase your sitting level. So that would be the best methodology to stay focused. Now if you, so say for example, what is the problem? Now you think that okay, you are going to study today for 6 hours, you made a target. Okay, then you said your brain that okay, I am going to sit for 6 hours in a time span of 2 hours every time. 2 hours first, 2 hours second, 2 hours third. Now once you say your brain 6 hours, he's like already half dead there. Now everything, oh my god, 6 hours, really? Are you kidding me? You think, no, I'm not kidding you. I'm gonna make that. And he says, okay, okay, fine, it's okay. If you're so determined, okay, let's try it. And then forcibly you try somehow that you should sit for 2 hours, and brain is like, no, no, I don't want to sit. And you're like, okay, you have to sit. Somehow you take out this first 2 hours. What about these two, buddy? What about these two? Do you ever felt, did you ever feel that you have never ever been able to actually give that productivity in these two remaining 2 hours slot? Why is that? Because you set a unachievable target on the first day. Say for example, if I don't have a habit of running, if I don't have a habit of jogging, and on the first day I will think that I'm going to jog or I'm going to run for 5 kilometers, do you think it is practically possible? I'm not saying my body is not capable. If I'll do, I'll die. No, it's not like that. But will it be a practicable? Will it be a practical solution or a target to myself? Obviously, no. So you should learn how to give practical targets to yourself. So say for example, right now you're studying every day like 30 minutes or 1 hour, or some of you might be not even sitting for a 5 minutes study time. Now you're giving your brain 6 hours target. What is bull? Means this is like absolutely nonsense, man. You should give your brain a target like 2 hours. Okay, today I will study 2 hours, and I will study in a 30 minute segment 4 times. I'll sit for 4 times, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. After every 30 minutes, I'll take a 10 minutes break. Yeah, that looks very workable, very achievable, very doable. Yeah, it looks like that, isn't it? 30 minutes, your brain will say okay, 30 minutes will like pass like this, man. And now you have started seasoning, means you have started talking to your brain and making him accept your words. So slowly you have to build it. 2 hours, then 3 hours, then 3.5 hours, 4 hours, 4.5, 5, 6, like that. So staying focused needs these all strategies. Okay, chalo. Most difficult tasks should be done first. Again, a very simple concept behind this is that actually when you do a very difficult task, what happens? That your concentration loses because you're doing a tough task. In that, your brain, your mind, your body, everything is getting a lot of trouble in actually doing that task. So every time your brain will, or your body will always try to get an easier way. It will always try, okay, let's leave it. Let's do it another day. Let's do it in another half. Let's do it like something like that. And at that particular point of time, you're going to lose your concentration. So what we always suggest, or what everyone suggests, that you should try to do the difficult one at the earliest, at the first. Why? Because in the starting, your motivation is super high, man. Obviously, in the daytime, once you take your bath, and in the morning, obviously your concentration, your motivation, everything is on super high. So at that particular time, you will be able to do the difficult task. Obviously, if I'll say you solve a very difficult question at the middle of the night, Not possible, man. Not at all possible. You are exhausted completely, isn't it? So that is how it is going to work. Highlight important points. So this is just a pointer for you while you are studying. Try to do that because that will, in fact, when you are going through a question and you don't want to read it completely. So those highlighted points will give you a gist of the answer. So this is important. Choose the right study material. So here, many of the students continuously keep on asking me, sir, is RD better or RS better? This is the biggest question of the era, isn't it? So let me tell you, I don't recommend my students RD. Reason is very simple. Obviously, if the student is, if this boy is taking this book, and if this boy would have taken this book, which book will you think that you can cover more easily? This thinner one or the this thicker one? Obviously, man, you will even get some motivation in studying this book, not this one. This is such a big bulky book, and so is the case with RD Sharma. So big and bulky book, no one would like or no one will get the motivation to complete it, and it's not even possible. If you come to RS, it looks at least doable. If you're not getting the motivation to do even RS, go for an NCERT. Much more better. You'll at least learn the basic concepts. Okay, you'll not be learning the high level concepts, high level questions. No issues. In the second round, you can do with RS Agarwal. Those questions which you are finding tough, just solve them. But don't go for RD because it's very big, very bulky, undoable. Kind of. I have never done it completely. I just solve the questions if a student asks. Fine. So this is how you should choose and study smartly. Now here in the study smartly thing, see what you know what earlier used to happen. That earlier when it used to be an offline class, teacher used to dictate everything. Probably she used to dictate the entire book. In fact, I have done it multiple times. And probably, so say for example, if she is making you understand something on the board and she is writing something here, something here, something here, something here, something here, and thereafter she says, okay, note it down, and you're like, oh my god, ma'am, where should I start from? Should I start from here, or should I start from here, or should I start from here? Where should I start for? And she's like, tadak, ek chata, you foolish boy, you don't know this much. And you have to like note it down without even knowing the usability of this, because surely these short notes are not going to be used. But in study smartly, and at least with the event of this online education, you don't need to actually spend your time unnecessarily writing it down in some those things which are not important for you. I'm not saying you don't have to write anything, you don't have to note down anything. You should, but only the important things. At least now you can figure it out that what you have to note. So, say for example, if I'm solving a question to you, and this question is important or it's tough, you feel that you're not getting it, you must note it down. You must write it down. But say for example, if I just give you a question that x square equals to 4 and x equals to 2, there is no point of noting it down, man. I'm not even feeling offended if you're not noting it down. I won't feel offended that if you don't write it down. But obviously, if in an offline class, people will be feeling offended. Teachers will be feeling offended. So, yes, that is the way of studying smartly. Choose what needs to be done, choose what need not to be done. See the recordings. You have the option of watching them multiple times so that you can enhance your understanding. Okay? Hello. Follow healthy routine and lifestyle. Very important thing. Now, routine is one such thing which actually makes your lifestyle. So if you follow a healthy routine means, see, after this lockdown, I have been getting multiple queries from many of the students. Sir, I sleep at night at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the night, and then I wake up at like 10 o'clock in the morning. I want to change this, or is it right? Absolutely damn wrong, man. You're just messing up with the entire biological cycle of your body. Are you even aware of that? Obviously, you're not going to be a healthy person in a longer run. If you are healthy today, okay, you may be, but in the longer run, if you are going to follow this, you're not going to be a healthy person. Body is accustomed to wake up at a certain time, probably before the sunrise, and body is accustomed that body will keep on getting exhausted and it needs sleep as it comes to the night. So you should also follow that. Don't you think that you're not a means you're not a like some क्या कहते हैं निशाचर या उल्लू इस टाइप के इंसान नहीं हो, तुम इंसान हो, तुम जानवर नहीं हो. You're not a nocturnal animal, isn't it? So try to follow a good routine. It's not only about the waking up time, it's about everything. So some people take their breakfast at 12 in the afternoon. This is not the time of breakfast, man. It's a time of dinner, it's a time of lunch. At 1 o'clock, people do have lunch, and you're taking 12 o'clock your breakfast. What do you expect out of your body? Isn't it? Absolutely, your body is going to resist. So if your body is going to resist, your lifestyle is going to mess up, then your entire productivity will mess up, because you'll not be able to study, you'll not be able to concentrate, and everything goes down. So please do not do that. Okay. Chalo, moving on. Be confident. Always think that yes, you can, because it's nothing that you can't do. Everything you have the possibility to do it, and you have to believe it. Because until and unless you don't believe it, you will not be able to do it. See, whether you can do it or not, it will only depend if you try it, and when you will be able to try it. Until unless you're not confident, you will not try it, isn't it? So always think you can. You're confident. Always think that. Fine. So yes, that was all for today's session. By the way, so these all basic, good, beautiful things are now much more easy because of this event of this whole online education. Because now I don't think that you guys need to spend that much time in your traffic, traveling to your school, traveling to your coaching. All those times are saved now, isn't it? You can play with your friends. Probably right now you're not able to play because everything is closed up. But okay, you can find some time for your own self. You can find some extra time for your own studies. You can find some time for uh, like getting more deep into your studies. And here Vedanta is really going to help you out a lot. How? Here in Vedanta you'll be getting all the courses. I'm saying all subjects. All subjects means like PCM, social studies, English, and all those things. All subjects, all competitive exams. Let me write it down. So even competitive exams, all competitive exams, all the preparations in just one course. You don't need to pay every time extra or something like that. And for that, you just remember this. How you have to use it, I'll just tell you. vdnt.in/ytpro. Here you'll be getting all the information about the course. And this is a discount coupon HP Pro. In case if you feel the amount is too much and you want a discount, you can apply this discount coupon. How does it actually work? So you know what, that here in Vedantu, in all these courses you get doubt support, the biggest part, the biggest USP of Vedantu, because no other player in the market is probably offering this. Why I'm saying this, that there are few institutes or few app which actually caters to this, but they actually take a very long time. Probably if you have posted a doubt and they will answer it like 6 hours late or 8 hours late or probably on the next day. So if you have a doubt right now, what you should do right now? In Vedantu, you can ask that doubt right now in the live classes itself. Apart from that, you can get in touch with me, with all the master teachers. You can talk to me. I can uncam you. I can see you even. Okay, these all things are not possible in YouTube, isn't it? So these all things will be possible there. Apart from that, Vedantu is going to be your best buddy. Not Vedantu. In fact, all the master teachers are going to be your best buddy in making you guys prepared for your examination, for your boards, for your NTSE, for your competitive exams, all of them. So these things, these attributes make Vedantu an entirely different working place, an entirely different learning place, where most of the students have given their trust. And it's not only for the first time that student will be giving their trust or students are giving their trust. It has been years now. We have been creating results since last 3 years, and we have got very beautiful outstanding results. And before that also we have created results, but with our founders. But right now with the current existing team, yes, we have created humongous amount of results. So that is how you can also plan yourself. You can also, if you are really wishing to have a very good place and good place to study, good place to know things, uh, means in my personal opinion, say I'm not going to get anything, but yes, in my personal opinion, I can surely say that this is a one that place where you can really rely upon. So what you need to do if you have to enroll in this course and what you will have to pay, what all things are there included in this, I'll just give you. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this link vdnt.in/ytpro. Now just please pay attention. These all things will be in the small letter, but this YT Pro will be in capital letters. So these are case sensitive. Please make sure that you do that. Otherwise, you'll not be able to open the website. Although this link is given in the description box as well. You have to select the grades. Say for example, if you're class 10th, then you have to select the target CBSE or ICSE or Maharashtra board, and then what all will you be getting? So you will be getting unlimited live access to the class. So even say for example, some of the students might not be having any classes on their school wale class they need on online. So what they will be getting, okay, no issues, you can have 10 sessions also in a day. No one is going to stop you, buddy. No one is even going to stop you. 10 sessions a day. I'm not joking. So say for example, if you have like five subjects, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, and thereafter English and social. So if I take like this 3 and 3 6, okay, fine. If you are like, if you are okay with giving 2 hours to every subject, fine, you can study for 12 hours, but I guess 12 hours will be too much. If you want to give like 1 2 hours 2 hours 2 hours to all the main subject and English and social 1 1 hours, you can go ahead with that, making it 10 hours or whatever time you feel like. School में 8 घंटे बिताते थे, isn't it? So don't you think that you can in fact give 8 hours here as well? So you have that unlimited support here. You can take any number of classes. In fact, in 1 month you can just complete the entire syllabus, man. If you will be studying 8 hours every day, you'll be completing the entire syllabus in 1 month, isn't it? Interact with the India's best teachers. So yes, we master teachers, you will be able to communicate with us. You'll be able to get in touch with us. Unlimited in-class doubt solving will also be there. Test series you will get, assignment you'll get, study material you'll get everything. What not? Guaranteed score improvement. Obviously Vedantu guarantees that yes, once you join Vedantu you'll be getting the score improvement. ये तो guarantee लेता है Vedantu. Choose a schedule that suits you best. You don't have to follow the schedule which Vedantu gives you. You can choose any school, any schedule which suits you. Make your own timetable, choose your own teacher, everything. Okay, so these all things will be there. Once you click on this get subscription, you will be able to go to this page where you'll have to actually choose that which subscription you want to go for, 1 month or 3 month or 6 month. So if it is a 1 month, prices will be 2700, but if it is fine with you, go ahead and pay that. But if it is not fine with you, you can actually apply a coupon code HP Pro, and that coupon code will give you a discount of something around 400 rupees, and that makes the entire course of 2300 only. Although this is one month course, so this much is the price. But if you go for a higher subscription like 3 month, if you are like very confident, yes, you want to go for a higher subscription, you are confident on Vedantu, you can go for a higher subscription, and in 3 months, now per month price will be only 2300 before, or means after discount it will be only 1900 rupees, 1990, means roughly 2000 rupees. So see here, the course was of 7000, but after applying the coupon code you'll get a 1000 discount, and it's now only 5950, means 6000 rupees. So 1000 rupees discount you got here for 3 months. So for 3 months, you have to just pay 6,000, 2,000 rupees per month. It will become cheaper. And if you go for a 6 month, it is much more cheaper now, because now for 6 months the total fees will be like 11,500. You'll be getting a 1,700 discount, so 9,700 something around that for 6 months. So it's something around 1,600 rupees per month. See here, 1,600 per month. I guess this is pretty cheap, isn't it? So using all these methods, using all these coupon codes, you can actually make your classes a little less expensive. And apart from that, you can learn from the best teachers of the country. You don't have even to think twice about the quality of the teachers. I can guarantee you that. Okay. So yes, that was all. If you really want to go and join to this course, you can go to this link. You can use this coupon code as well if you want to get discount. And yes, Eureka, you can start the studying at Vedantu, the world's best education place. Okay. So guys, it was all for today's session. I really liked your, means I really like this entire session, and apart from that, I really loved you guys seeing here. So that's really fantastic. Awesome, guys. So see you all in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care and good night. Bye bye.